Alright, so I got a Bluetooth speaker here to show you today. I guess the brand is Peter Hot. Show you the speaker here. This is quite long, a lot longer than a lot normal compact speaker, but this one is a 20 watt total speaker here, portable Bluetooth. There, that's the brand. First look at it, look very nice, feel very heavy in the hand. It's kind of like aluminum heart shield here. This side is nothing. NFC, if you touch the pair. Got auxiliary in here, USB charging, SD card. Power on, press in to turn it on. So let's turn it on here. I don't know if it had power.
Bluetooth. Waiting for connection.
Okay. So let's pair them. So Bluetooth. See what show up here. Okay, it's SL1000S. Let me see. Touch it to pair it. Okay,
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, so that's pair. Let me find some song to play. That sounds pretty good.
It's like, empty and unguided, a blind leading chase. I thought I had a plan, a plan with you and me. Was a villain of my...
That's must be because I touched something.
Breaking me down to my knees.
Okay, so the speakers sound very clear and very good at max volume. Have very good amount of bass to it. The only thing I can see that could be a problem if you keep touching this like I did, all this control here are touch sensitive, so you can easily mess it up if you plan on carry it around and touching like this. Your finger gonna activate something. But otherwise, the speaker is very good. It's actually, I love the shape. It's not. Let me see how long this is. It's about 11 inch. And it, we have a very dim LED here in the front. But overall, it's a very good speaker. Sound very good. Let me finish showing you what inside the box, because I got kind of excited and kind of did not finish showing you what in here. So you got two cable, charging cable, and a headphone cable, pretty typical, but that's about it. I don't see that. Okay, the manual is in here, so just make sure that they have something there. But there you go. Overall, it's a very good speaker. Let me turn the volume back on again. Let's see. I'm gonna go down to, yeah, it can sound very good actually. All right, so that's all I can really show you on this 20 watt speaker here. All right, thank you for watching.